Today I'm introducing to you the ultimate small business website builder, Builderall. All-in-one marketing system. Everything included. Responsive design, hosting, security, SSL certificates, animated video marker, app creator, email system, design studio tool, LED capture, heat map, browser notifications, and a floating video creator. You can do it yourself or we will build it for you. Unlimited templates to work with that covers almost every niche. This platform will work for anyone. Small businesses, local mom and pop shops, entrepreneurs, digital marketers, marketing agencies, affiliate marketers, network marketers, online home businesses, or anyone that needs the tools to perform online marketing. It's an all-in-one small business website builder that has everything you need to market your business. All you need is a domain name. They have over 400 training videos that will train you to operate the entire platform. You can also create viral sales funnels. Everything is included so you can get the exposure your business needs. Builderall, the ultimate small business solution. The small business website builder comes with a responsive design so no matter what type of device someone is viewing your website from, they will be amazed. You even have an on-page search engine optimization feature so that you can use to assist you with your ranking in the search engines. This small business website builder is simply amazing. It has all the tools you need to succeed in your internet marketing efforts all under one roof. You now have a platform that can help you market your products or services without buying multiple programs. It is the best value you will find anywhere. Builderall is the only small business website builder that you will ever need. They are located in Orlando, Florida. You won't need to learn anything about HTML code, CSS, and you will not have to use any plugins. It comes with a responsive website builder that is a drag-and-drop system that is easy to use. There are many platforms like Wix, Weebly, GoDaddy, Duda, Squarespace, Site Builder, and many more. These platforms do not offer the value of what Builderall can do for you. Even WordPress, the content management system, does not come with all the tools you need to market your business like Builderall. Builderall is your one-stop shop. Builderall is your one-stop shop. Why would you want any other platform? When you start adding up the cost of all the tools that are included with Builderall, it becomes a no-brainer. Just think about videos. Builderall comes with 2 video programs. All websites get an SSL certificate. Number 1 is an animated video maker. Number 2 is you get the floating video creator. Go get a price on either one of those products and it is more than likely the cost of the entire program offered by Builderall. Now add in the cost of your website builder, hosting, security, or any SSL certificates you may want to purchase. It starts to add up very quickly. Next, your business should have an email autoresponder. Another expense that you got to take out of your profits. You always hear that the money is in the list. Very true, and every business should be building their email list. The great part of Builderall is you get an autoresponder system included with the plan. You get a fully functional 10,000 subscribers email autoresponder, and you even have the ability to add more if need be. DIY small business website builder for all local businesses. Builderall has many templates already designed for many local businesses. You can use one of the templates or build your business a website from scratch. You can use the responsive site builder to design your website just the way you like it, or use the drag and drop pixel perfect builder. It even comes with a mobile builder. It is very simple and easy to use. Simply choose a template, customize it with your information, connect your domain name, and publish. That's it. You're now online. They even have video tutorials to guide you step by step. Builderall has more than 1,000 templates. No matter what type of business you have, you're sure to find a template of your liking. They have hundreds of styles for your menu or buttons that you may need. Unlimited layouts and fonts that you can use. Icons, GIFs, and even arrows are available for you to use. They even have an opt-in with Facebook. You control it all. Using the Facebook opt-in, you can have someone give you a like or a share before they even see your content. So now you can test items to see which one is working the best. Simply an amazing system. You can add entrance pop-ups, exit pop-ups, or even timed pop-ups. Countdown and evergreen timers. This platform offers more than anything you will find on the market. Security and structure. Yes, your website will be hosted on dedicated and high-performance servers. It has virtual hosting for images and videos. Automated and a smart backup system. Your hosting comes with a website cache for better performance and loading times. Unlimited visits and transference of data including downloads from your website. You get on-page SEO optimization to help you get a better ranking on the search engines. The structure of the system will even allow you to send 10,000 emails every hour. You have a team of programmers constantly improving the platform as well as keeping everything up to date. The customer support team that will get your problem taken care of. Here's the kicker. You can even earn money from the program. They have a 2-tier payout system in place if you want to make money online. You can even earn cash to lease your automobile. You would need the Builderall business plan in order to do that. Funnel templates designed for local marketing. You can build funnels within Builderall. You can do a lot of different things using this software. We found some great pre-built funnels right inside the platform that you can also duplicate for other funnels. Here are some of the funnels available when you purchase the Builderall Business Pro package. Beauty salon, landscaping, interior design, real estate, accountant, chiropractor, dentistry, home insurance, plumber, lawyer, electrician, solar energy, beauty niche, and fitness. These funnels are ready for you to use as soon as you join the program. They come with landing pages, a video to use, and an email script. Each funnel has its own unique training videos included. They also include banners that you can use for your Facebook advertising. There are hundreds of templates for local businesses. It doesn't matter if you're a pool cleaner, painter, into art, need a membership site, or even a learning center. Builderall has you covered. Small business website builder Builderall tested funnels. These funnels have already been tested and convert at a very high rate. All you would need to do is start promoting. It's very simple and easy to use the platform. Everything you need is included. You now have a platform with all the tools you need. All you have to do is go to work. Start designing your first website with its responsive drag and drop system. This platform would be great for a local marketing specialist. All you would need to do is start marketing in your local area. You can offer to do it yourself a solution or you can do it for them. Either way, you make money. Ready to get your biz buzzing? Like we said, you can DIY or we will build it for you. All you would need to do is sign up for the package that you want. You pick the package that you want. The digital package comes with all the tools you need. It runs $29.90 per month. Awesome value. The next package is the Builderall Business package that pays 2-tier commissions. This package is $49.90 a month. They are upgrading many of the tools and you will find a better overall experience using this platform. Definitely a super value with all the new tools and the old tools upgraded. Don't buy anything yet. We will test it first. You can check it out for a 14-day free trial. If you're like me and cannot wait and want to see exactly what you get for each price level, you can click Builderall pricing. We always take care of our customers, so just hold tight until we have had a chance to work with this site builder and its tools. We are going to test it out. Both programs are excellent and come with all the tools you need. Like we said earlier, if you want to do it yourself, you can have a lot of fun designing your website and getting to know about the other programs. If you don't have the time or maybe you're not comfortable with the program, we will design your website for you. We are currently testing the system. We would like to perform these tests first because we want to ensure that this platform is everything they say it is. We also will be offering done-for-you services. We believe in taking care of our customers and want to ensure this program is the best one available. This is also a kick-off day for Builderall as they will be launching a relaunch of Builderall. We'll keep you posted of any updates and any progress of the glitches and speed issues. This is going to be a great small business website builder with all the DIY marketing tools you need to capture leads and build websites. You can also earn money from Builderall through their affiliate program. Bottom line is, Builderall has all the tools you need to run your business on one platform, and it has superior converting pre-made templates and much cheaper with so much value. If you're interested in Builderall, click on the link in the description below to start your 14-day free trial. Before you leave, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Have a wonderful day.